When I come around, got the whole thing wobbling.
Alright guys, this is Chris coming to you from West Seattle, Washington with Madcryptoconnections. And I wanted to show you guys this channel I found. Actually, Sean Davis on YouTube, who does a lot of electronium news, was the first one I saw talk about it, and then Crypto NWO. So shouts out to Crypto NWO and Sean Davis, and thank you for keeping the electronium, our electronium reality alive and kicking. It's a beautiful day, and I just wanted to share this with you. So this is Bit.tube /dashboard, or you can just type in Google Bit.tube and check out Bit.tube for yourself. It's similar to YouTube. Now, I don't know all that much about it. I'm just learning about it myself, but I thought I'd share it on my channel so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. It has a lot of different features. You have your home screen, trending, newcomers, live, categories. It's really similar to YouTube. All these categories, okay? Trending, here's all the trending videos on Bit.tube right now. Great music, relaxed music, instrument music, life hacks, a couple life hack sections, and lots more. Also shows newcomers, so you can click newcomers, and these are people that have newly posted. I wonder if you'll see my video I just posted on here recently. It might not have loaded up yet. Oh, here it is. Here's one of mine right here. Electronium's API and 11 million transactions per second. That's me right there as one of the newcomers. Give myself a star. Give myself a thumbs up. I don't know if that does that. They do animation. Okay, so here's the animation section. I'm sorry, that's a category. Okay, let's keep going. Subscriptions. So I guess these are people with subscriptions. Bear with me here. You can upload your media. You can broadcast live. You can check out your wallet. Let's look at my wallet. I don't think I have anything in here yet, but this is good to do because I haven't synced up my wallet or opened my wallet yet. Okay, so you can. Here's my balance on my YouTube or my Tube, excuse me, Bit.tube. They have their own cryptocurrency also, which is really cool. Their currency is called Tube. I don't have any Tube built up yet. I haven't had any transactions yet. I just started this today. I started this 2 hours ago. Another category, cinema. Let's see here. You can mine. So you can mine Tube or Bit.tube coins. And their cryptocurrency marker on CoinMarketCap is TUBE. And here's an entire thing on how to mine Bitcoin, or Bit.tube, excuse me. Mining guide, mining pools, how to mine, what is mining and why is it important. And they have a home, press, blog, create account, guides, jobs, etc. So you should give it a try. Okay, so it says here at their home screen, ad-free, always monetized, designed for mass adoption, instant payments and rewards, provides innovative monetization solutions to a new video era, enables new markets for creators and publishers. Right now they're on Google Play, and it looks like App Store, but it has an asterisk here, Mac OS, Windows, and Linux upcoming. So check it out. There's some videos to watch. There's a wallet app. This explains how it works. Extraordinary IPFS, endless scaling for peer-to-peer video and live streaming, proof of work blockchain, a private cryptocurrency network secured by professional miners, airtime, creators and viewers earn Tube based on watch time, fully integrated payment system, products and services that will drive demand, AI-based copyright review, and community-driven governance. Then they have a lot more news. You can just keep going and going and going and going. Current supply is 75,372,371 tubes, which is the coins. Max supply 1 billion by 2050. Proof of work algorithm. Favorable for mining. Unfavorable for mining is CPUs, A6 FPGAs, or GPUs 2 gigabytes or less. So I might even consider mining this. I have four GPUs and 2 Threadripper 1950X CPUs, so might be something I decide I want to do. Here's how the reward is: 70% miners, 30% airtime share, 70% creators, 20% viewers, 10% developers. So lots of stuff to look. Pre-register for the Bit.tube debit card. That's really interesting. So that could really increase the value of Bit.tubes. Anyways, go ahead and check it out for yourselves. This is Chris with MadCryptoConnections.com, and now I have a channel on Bit.tube. It's Bit.tube /MadCryptoConnections. So my Bit.tube screen name is MadCryptoConnections. And give it a shout out. Give it a try. Do it. Make it happen. Alright, you guys have a good day or night, no matter where in the world you are. Take care and have a great day. Bye.
Models popping bottles.